Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Etsy to accounting for sales tax compliance, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your Etsy account and log in to your seller dashboard. Click on the Shop Manager button located at the top of the page. Next, select Settings from the menu on the left side. In the Settings menu, click on Finances. Here, you will find an option called Tax Settings. Select Tax Settings. Make sure to enable sales tax for the states where you are required to collect it. You can do this by checking the box next to Enable Sales Tax. Once enabled, you will be prompted to enter sales tax rates specific. Research the current sales tax rates for the states where you sell. Input these rates accurately into the corresponding fields. Next, review the tax policies and requirements for your state to ensure compliance. After entering all the necessary sales tax rates, click Save Changes. Now that your Etsy shop is set up for sales tax collection, it's time to connect it to your accounting software. Choose an accounting software that integrates smoothly with Etsy, such as QuickBooks or Xero. Visit the website of your chosen accounting software and log in to your account. Look for an option to add a new integration or sync service. Select Etsy from the list of available integrations. Follow the prompts to connect your Etsy account to your accounting software. You will likely need to authorize the connection by logging into your Etsy account. Once connected, set up how you want sales tax data to be categorized in your accounting software. Check your accounting software settings to ensure sales tax tracking is enabled. Run a test transaction in your Etsy shop to see if the sales tax is being recorded properly. Review your accounting software for the recorded data from the transaction. If everything looks good, you are now set up for sales tax compliance with your Etsy shop. Regularly check your sales tax settings to ensure they remain accurate and up to date. By following these steps, you can stay compliant with sales tax requirements while efficiently managing your Etsy shop's finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.